Today is going to be the February Ipsy versus Boxycharm to see which box wins this month. They're each pretty much equal value. You both pay about the same amount each month. So before we dive into the video, please don't forget to hit that thumbs up button if you've not already, and also please subscribe down below to become a hashtag FamJam member here. And yeah, without further ado, we're going to dive into this. So I think this time I'm going to start off with Boxycharm. I don't know what I started off with last month. So this month it's called Afterglow. It's the theme of the month. Here's kind of what it looks like inside of the box. I don't know why, I just kind of felt obligated to show you what it looks like. First things up is this Pharmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser. This looks really interesting and it smells really good, like super clean. I love that super clean scent. I really love the packaging. Here's what it looks like up close. That retails for $22. So next up in the box is this Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and I'm super excited to be getting this. This retails for $24. Here's what the wand looks like. I use this mascara on an everyday basis, and the one I have is about to run out. And when I seen spoilers back in like January about the February box that we were going to be getting one of these, I was like, yes, I won't have to pay that money to get it now. So next up in the box is this No Problem primer by Touch and Soul. Here's what it looks like. There is kind of what the texture looks like on the skin. And when you just rub it in, it has a faint smell, nothing too crazy, but it does kind of smell good. And it has a very smoothing finish, not like oily. It just feels very smooth to the hands. I don't know, that sounds really weird. The primer, it retails for $18. So next up in the box is this Trustique Prime and Glaze Lip Crayon. It retails for $25. I got the shade English Rose. Here's what the packaging looks like. Super cute. I love that it looks like a big like crayon. It kind of almost looks like a gloss instead of like a lipstick because it's super shiny and it doesn't really look like it's gonna dry matte. And then whenever you pop this off, and this is the primer, and I don't really know what the primer is supposed to do. I don't know if this so-called primer is more or less like just like a good chapstick to put on your lips before you put on the lip glaze. So I will have to try that out. I'm not sure about that. And then last up, I got the Pretty Vulgar Shimmer Swan Highlighter. And as you guys can tell, maybe that it is completely shattered. I'm pretty disappointed that it's really shattered. I'm actually going to be emailing Boxycharm to see how that works out. So stay tuned to see how this, what happens with that. This is the first time I've gotten anything from Boxycharm that was shattered. So that was all the products I got in my Boxycharm this month. Moving on to Ipsy. This is the Ipsy card. I don't really know if this is like a month, like what it's supposed to call. Just says, get ready to fall deeply in love with your February Glam Bag Plus. It doesn't really have a theme, so we're just going to dive into this box. First up is this It Cosmetics. It's a flat top buffing foundation brush. So here's what it looks like. I'm really excited for this. I might even try using this for foundation. This brush, it retails for $48. I would never pay almost $50 for a brush, y'all. Nope. Even though I love makeup, I'm still not going to hand over $50 for a brush. Sorry. Next up in the box is this NYX Sweet Cheeks Blush Palette. Here's what it looks like. That's inside of the box. I need to take it outside of the box. Here's what the palette looks like. It is beautiful. When I seen that I was getting this palette in the box, I was like, what? No way. So I am going to go ahead and just swatch a few of the blushes for you guys. What they look like. I love that there's such a beautiful array of colors of these blushes. Like, you got some beautiful pink tones, a couple really pretty peachy colors, and then like 3 darker colors for more of a deeper skin tone. So that is really cool, NYX. I'm really excited about this blush palette. And the blush palette retails for $20. Next up is this Henna Sugar Lip Scrub. It retails for $25. And I know I butchered that name. I'm so sorry. But this smells so fruity and so wonderful. I'm going to have to use this tonight. I'm so excited. And I really love the packaging on this. Like, this is just like such beautiful packaging. I love this. Next up is this Finding Ferdinand lipstick in Nob Hill. I got the shade Nob Hill Red. So here's what it looks like. It is a very true, like, classic red, but when you swatch it, I feel like it swatched way brighter than what it looks like in the actual tube. It is actually this top swatch up here. Way brighter than what I thought it was going to be. It's more of a, like, bright red. This retails for $30. I would not pay $30 for this. Sorry. Not for a red lipstick. I'm really not too interested in... Like, I'll wear a red lipstick for a certain look. Like, if I have a really deep smoky eye, I'll wear a red lipstick. Or just for that certain YouTube video, I'll wear a red lipstick. But I won't just wear a red lipstick on an everyday basis. So I wouldn't pay $30 for it. Last thing in the box is this Tarte Double Duty Dream Big eyeshadow palette. Here is the box and what it looks like. The palette looks exactly the same. This palette is actually really pretty. It has a couple pink shades in it, a purple, and then a gold that looks really pretty. Here is what it looks like. It also comes with a mirror in the palette, which is really nice for traveling. This Tarte palette is way better than the Tarte palette we got in our January Boxycharm. That one was just like nothing but all shimmer shades, all the same color of brown, and I was like, what the heck? This Tarte palette retails for $30. So that is going to be it for my February Ipsy versus Boxycharm, guys. Please let me know in your comment which box you believe won. I would love to hear your thoughts. And y'all, please don't forget that you are absolutely stunning. Bye guys, thanks for watching.
Hey guys, so if you haven't subscribed already, then click the circular icon in the middle. Or if you want to watch another great video, then click the one on the left or the one on the right.